Today in crypto. Tokyo's biggest finserv firm, SBI Group, will now allow general Japanese investors to purchase cryptocurrencies via its newly launched crypto asset fund. The fund is composed of 7 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Chainlink, LINK, and Polkadot, DOT. The crypto asset fund, to be traded and operated by the SBI Alternative Fund, was established on December 2 with a dedicated capital of 5 million yen, worth approximately $45,000 at the time of writing. However, the company may choose to release the capital in smaller breakups of 1 million yen each. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The state of banking and finance today presents a complex labyrinth that even seasoned bankers struggle to navigate. Despite appearances, there is a method to this madness. As Nobel Prize winners like Muhammad Yunus and Joseph Stiglitz have cautioned in the past, central banking, in particular, has morphed to keep the status quo in check. Or, in the words of Mike Maloney, an expert on monetary history and economics, it is the biggest scam in the history of mankind. Maloney reasons that giving a small group of unelected individuals the keys to the monetary printing press will undoubtedly rot away the buying power of workers' savings, for the benefit of the few who benefit from asset price inflation. In the wake of the global financial crisis and devastating bank runs around the world, individuals and small business owners who simply want to keep the wealth they have earned are increasingly asking, is my bank working for me? Or am I working for my bank? But, until recently, there were simply no alternatives to central bank currencies, nor could anyone provide the services of commercial and investment banks. In traditional banking and finance, in comparison, in decentralized finance, Christoph Lasset is the co-founder of Request Network, an open-source protocol backed by Y Combinator, offering a blockchain-based suite of financial products ranging from invoicing to payroll, expenses and accounting dedicated to crypto-first companies. Prior to co-founding Request in 2017, Christoph was working on other crypto projects such as Monutis, doing money transfers with crypto as a backbone. In 2015, Christoph has built an extensive experience as a financial manager working internationally across North America, Europe and Asia in various companies. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Russia to decide between blanket crypto ban and legalizing exchanges in 2022. A recent report shows that Russia could potentially see a countrywide ban on cryptocurrency. Alternatively, it's possible that crypto trading via regulated exchanges may continue under strict oversight. On the one hand, Russia's central bank is said to be behind a potential move to make crypto illegal in the country, according to Reuters. On the other hand, Anatoly Aksakov, who heads the Russian Parliament's Committee on Financial Markets, publicly disclosed that the industry may continue to operate under regulations that would ensure greater tax compliance. However, Aksakov left open the possibility of an outright ban. U.S. Senate confirms CFTC chair as President Biden announces Commissioner picks. Niantic raises $1 billion in funding, valuation now $7 billion. Just did it, Nike. NYSE, NKE, enters the metaverse game following RTFKT acquisition. SEC delays decisions on Bitwise and Grayscale's Bitcoin ETFs. Here's why Bitcoin traders expect choppy markets for the remainder of 2021. Indian Prime Minister Modi's hacked Twitter, NYSE, TWTR, account attempts BTC scam. AscendX loses $80 million following ERC20, Bayest say. Polygon hot wallet compromise. UK advertising watchdog bans crypto ads for Coinbase, Nasdaq Coin, and Kraken. The metaverse will bring unbridled evolution to NFTs. A letter to Zuckerberg. The metaverse is not what you think it is. Daft Punk meets CryptoPunks as Novo faces up to NFT''s. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hubble Protocol raises $3.6 million in a pre-IDO seed funding round. Hubble will use the fund to support its zero-interest DeFi borrowing platform. Delphi Digital, Jump Capital, CMS, Spartan, Mechanism Capital led the funding event. Hubble Protocol announced that it has raised a gargantuan $3.6 million in a pre-IDO seed funding event. Hubble will use the raised funds to support and grow its zero-interest DeFi borrowing platform. Doing this, the company will supercharge the minting of Hubble's Solana native stablecoin, $U.S.D.H, in the market. Additionally, the funding event will strengthen the Hubble Protocol to build strong momentum for its $HBB-IDO launch in January 2022. To mention a few, Hubble's funding program was supported by Delphi Digital, Jump Capital, CMS, Spartan, Mechanism Capital, and 3 Arrows, DeFi. Not only these companies, but Capital, DeFi Alliance, Decentral Park Capital, and Digital Strategies also supported Hubble Protocol in the funding event. DeFi Alliance PAR. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Esports companies, esports teams, and even esports players, are worth millions. The games played in esports tournaments are worth millions. Some argue the potential value of esports net worth could one day outstrip the value of some of the most popular traditional sports like football, basketball, and boxing. The nascent esports industry is growing rapidly and its worth is set to be valued in billions. The industry includes pretty wide areas, like streaming, gaming itself, as well as associated brand deals. However, a few decent market-wide esports net worth valuations are released every year. Looking at the one released by Newzoo, we can see that the global esports market is growing significantly. In 2019, Newzoo estimated the total revenue of the esports market would cross $1.1 billion. Newzoo added, following this, the market saw immense growth going into 2020 with a 15% rise on the previous year. Beyond this, their estimate for 2021 is looking at a further year-on-year growth of 14.5%. Newzoo estimates that the esports valuation will be coming from a few different places. This will include $33.6 million in revenue in global media rights and sponsorships. Even with some in-person events being uncertain at the moment, the projection of growth for the esports market reflects a growing interest in the topic in every sphere. Active companies in the markets today include Esports Technologies, Nasdaq, IBET, Electronic Arts, Nasdaq EA, Take-Two, Nasdaq TTWO, Interactive Software Incorporated, Nasdaq, TTWO, Activision Blizzard Incorporated, Nasdaq ATV, Roblox Corporation, NYSE, RBLX. Newzoo's Global Esports Market Report 2019, published in February last year, estimated the revenue value of the esports market would reach $1.1 billion in 2019, up over 26% year-on-year, and that the number of esports viewers will reach over 450 million, consisting of over 200 million esports enthusiasts and over 250 million occasional watchers. Newzoo estimated that at current growth rates, the esports market will generate $1.8 billion in revenue by 2022. The latest report also confirms that mobile esports is growing quickly, especially in markets like Southeast Asia, India, and Brazil. This has definitely contributed to the growth in esports net worth and valuation. Specifically, it is linked to another major area of growth for esports, the mobile competitive gaming market. Current estimates suggest that this could be worth up to $1.5 billion by itself by 2025. Esports Technologies, Nasdaq, IBET. Breaking news: Esports Technologies to be exclusive data provider for Turned Gaming's NFT fighting simulator. Built on Polygon blockchain, the skill-based fighting game will include legendary boxing icons Floyd Mayweather and Deontay Wilder as NFTs. Esports Technologies, a leading global provider of award-winning advanced esports wagering products and technologies, announced today that it signed a non-binding letter of intent with Turned Gaming to be the exclusive esports data provider for TOT Battle World. The skill-based fighting game simulator built on Polygon's blockchain solution will feature NFTs of boxing icons Floyd Mayweather and Deontay Wilder. The highly anticipated game is targeted for release in early 2022. Esports Technologies intends to provide odds, game balancing, outcome math and logic models to power Taunt Battle World. This unique predictive modeling will provide living game data and events to create new gaming products and second-screen experiences for players around the world. Bart Barden, COO, Esports Technologies, said, "We look forward to becoming the exclusive in-game data and wagering partner for Taunt Gaming. Starting with Taunt Battle World, we are focused on creating new and engaging ways for players to interact with live content. We can't wait to start leveraging the power of our quantitative analytics, modeling, and AI platforms and products to unleash a whole new experience for gamers on the blockchain and off." Floyd Mayweather and Deontay Wilder represent the first of several real-world fighters from boxing and MMA slated to appear in Taunt Battle World. The ability to own real fighters as NFTs and using their attributes to compete against the unique characters and races in Taunt Battle World will add an unprecedented level of excitement to NFT gaming. Undefeated former world champion Floyd Mayweather said, "I'm honored to be one of the first combat sports athletes to appear in Taunt Battle World and can't wait to see the game come to life." Taunt Battle World and Stardam Images are reimagining the future of gaming. "I'm proud to be officially part of it." Email newsletter. Join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.